Question number 1. Eastern coastal plain is also called as A. Konkan coastal plain, B. Guzaphat plain, C. Coromandel coastal plain, D. Malabar coastal plain. Question number 2. Blue Revolution is related to A. Fish production, B. Milk production, C. Oil production, D. Food production. Question number 3. Which state is called the Sugar Bowl of India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Bihar. Question number 4. Which of the following soil have the attributes of cracks and shrinks in dry condition? A. Bulk clay soil, B. Red porous soil, C. Sandy soil, D. Loamy soil. Question number 5. In which state is the Renuka Lake located? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 6. The solar radiation coming to Earth is called A. Radiant energy, B. Insulation, C. Sunshine, D. Terrestrial radiation. Question number 7. Greenland is the world's largest island. It is an integral part of which country? A. Norway, B. North America, C. Denmark, D. Canada. Question number 8. What is the layer of the atmosphere close to the Earth's surface called? A. Exosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Stratosphere, D. Ionosphere. Question number 9. The longest river in the world is? A. Ganga, B. Nile, C. Brahmaputra, D. Amazon. Question number 10. Which one of the following has the highest wind velocity? A. Typhoon, B. Hurricane, Cyclone, D. Tornado. For more, please like and subscribe to my channel.